Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another episode with Priya and Aarti. That girl is a zonal qualifier of Mrs. India Inc. Can you believe that?
Yeah, it
So,
is.
sorry?
It is a surprise.
Yes, yes, it's a surprise and a lot of efforts also. Today we are going to talk about something special which is close to both of our hearts. And Priya, would you like to give an introduction about what we are going to talk about today?
So, Aarti, I trusted that you will, talk about the topic, but how can you break my trust and ask me to do that?
Priya, because I trusted you that you will start talking about the topic trust, but since you have not brought the trust in that, so it's too many trust.
Okay, let's not bug people and let's talk
Yes,
about trust.
yes.
So, Aarti, would you like to start?
Priya, I again trusted you that you will explain trust in a best possible way. So please continue.
Okay. So, guys, how many times you have been told that be careful before you talk to people. Be careful before you meet a stranger. Be careful before you take any decision, you know. And what is it? What is the outcome from that in your world? We lose trust. We lose trust on ourselves, right? And what happens is when we start losing trust on ourselves, we just create incidences of no trust in our life in a way that we don't trust ourselves to get something, and then we end up having the same experience where we cannot trust anyone, right? It's a little I would say confusing, but trust is something which you will tell to yourself that yes, this is it, and this is where I'm going to take it forward. It's just an expression, just a feeling, right? I think that's the best possible way I can explain about trust.
Thank you, Priya. And I think that was beautiful. So, see, trust, value, acknowledgement, receiving are the topics which I really love to talk about because this is something that I have been personally working on myself. So there were times, when I have gone for healing of one particular issue, and it's so many times it has come that I don't trust myself, and which is so true. And since I do not trust myself, it's very difficult for other people to trust me as well. And when I don't see that other people are trusting me, I go into wrongness of me. But I don't realize that, the first step is that I should start trusting myself, trusting my intuitions, trusting what I have done, trusting what I am doing, trusting what I will do in future. Everything is trust, trusting everything. So if I was thinking, and what are some of the reasons that we don't trust ourselves? Why in the process of growing up something we lose trust? So a couple of things that came to my mind was, the first possible reason is that while we are growing up, nobody has taught us to trust ourselves. As a kid, we were told to trust our elders, parents, siblings, people around us, maybe teachers. But then they forgot to even, put that thought or seed as we were growing up to start trusting yourself also. Then second comes the external surroundings, because in the atmosphere that we are living, right? So nobody even trusts themselves. So if they are not trusting themselves, how can they even pass on that trust yourself thing to other, right? And there was one more thing. So Priya, would you like to add anything here?
Yes. So, how many times, you're faced like your elders saying, listen, you must listen to your elders because elders know what is good for you, you know? So, what happens in this process is you start trusting the elders, and in reverse, you kind of become paralyzed to trust your own self because they said, we know more than you. Okay, same thing like when you slowly start growing up and you get your best friend or your partner, they will say, trust, listen, I know you more than you. And then you start again trusting the other person that, yeah, probably this person knows better than me because this is what I've been taught for. You're not sure how to take a decision, right? And then there's one more situation where, tend to take a very fast decision. For me, it's like I have decided now I'm going to do it. So I tend to get a lot of, judgment, or I would say advices that, Priya, be patient, think before you decide something. Okay, that's again a trust issue that can lead to a trust issue. Oh my god, everybody is telling that I should think. Am I like, deciding so fast? Is it a wrong decision? These are the things which led anyone to lose their own trust.
Yeah, it's basically when you start judging yourself or losing trust on yourself because of the point of view of what others have told you, right? It's basically that. So uh, the reason, I thought to talk about this topic this week, and we are very well know about it, so I want to tell everyone as well. So recently I was talking with one of my friend, and I got to know that a person to whom I trusted had told something about me, which was like, after listening to that thing, I was like, okay, I cannot trust this person anymore. So, and the beautiful thing that came out after, so when I listened to this whole conversation, I was obviously taken aback, I was upset, I was like, a lot of drama I did, but I think there were a couple of few beautiful realizations that I experienced as well. The one thing was that the older version of me would have, judged myself, shut myself, and then would not have come out and public and talk about it. But now I see that, yes, I am starting to trust myself, and I am really, so I did not judge myself for that. I trusted my journey, I trusted my learnings. And there are so much beautiful tools in Access that really help me to come out of, not be in silos and be open and be okay about it. So I was so grateful, and so grateful about the shift that I experienced in just one incident, right? And also, people will not, so in the whole process, generally we give up trusting that, okay, this person has done this self, so I should stop trusting. And when you say that you should stop trusting, it's just, you do not stop to trust one person, but you stop to trust everyone around you. And that's a big thing, because eventually you'll start to stop trusting yourself as well. But instead of that, I realized that, trusting anyone is my basic nature. I trust easily, irrespective of whatever the outcome is. So did that irrespective, if someone has hurt me or not hurt me. But the thing is that in the process of trusting everyone, I have come across few beautiful people whom, if I have not trusted, would not have come in my space. So I think that's a big learning. So irrespective if someone has hurt you, so that is something that you can work based on your awareness or consciousness, which person to trust. Because not everyone can receive it. Not everyone can believe that the others can trust you. Right? So obviously there has to be a space when, I should learn to manipulate. But I think these are the couple of few learnings that I had out of this one or two incidents that have happened recently in my life. And
Yes.
Priya, you were smiling continuously because I know I did the whole drama in front of you and now I'm preaching about it.
But it is so beautiful, you know. You're right. Like if I was in your space, I also would have, felt the same. And it's just that I was wearing a different hat that day, right? Um, so when you, so if somebody has broken your trust and then you decide that you don't want to trust anyone, it's you who has made yourself small. The person who has done that action will have no effect on it because they have done it and they've gone.
And
But
probably they may not even know that their
exactly,
action has impacted me so much.
exactly, right? Like you are that big and you hear that incident and then you make yourself the I will not trust anyone. Then when you walk, you will be like, okay, should I trust this person? Should I? So how small it will be, how difficult it will be, like a jittery kind of experience if you start doing it, you know. One of the great thing that I have learned in Access is whenever something makes you small, turn it up. Turn that energy so much that these becomes like it does not even affect you. You trust people so much. I mean, one of the crooked way I would say is, have you ever tried like somebody is cheating on you and you go and give a real good trust vibe, like, I trust you so much that I can blindly trust you, you take me wherever. And I have seen them feeling so guilty that they come and they actually spill out what they're doing. Okay, that's called turning it up. Rather than going to, oh my god, I should not trust this. Like, you are not only not trusting this person, you are trusting the entire world. Go there and give the energy of trust, and this person will spill it up. This is just one example which I have experienced in my life.
I have not done that, so probably I think I should try that.
You should. But
Yeah.
only one thing is that to reach that, you really have to be in a non-judgmental space, right?
Yeah.
Like, I know I'm sure it is easy for Aarti, but what I'm saying for many people is go to the non-judgmental space. Don't go into the complaining that how can this person do is how, you will actually have your own chance of venting it out in front of the person when the person actually says it. Okay, that's a great time. So don't waste your energy before it. Give trust. Trust that person will spill it up when you give that trust energy. And you see how beautiful it is. It's like a win-win situation in your world.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's a wonderful idea.
Yeah.
And I think the other thing that you told me while I was having my breakdown time was that, trust that people will hurt you.
Yeah.
So trust that they will break your trust. And I was like, okay, this is interesting that, so far we have not been told to do that also. So always it's like trust that the good things will happen, but we should also trust that the same person has the capacity to even treat you badly or hurt you. So that was like, okay, now I'm going to trust both the ways.
Exactly. And you are lucky if you are wrong.
Yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
in these places, you will happy to be wrong rather than being right. So you have nothing to lose.
Yeah. And I think it's all about energies, Priya, because the moment if someone hurt me, so yeah, one thing is that yes, I expected that they will hurt me, but at the same time, I was mentally prepared because that is not going to impact me that much because I know, like when you believe yourself so much, when you know that whatever you are doing is right and you trust it, others' point of views and all won't actually matter.
Yeah.
It may matter at a personal level, like momentarily, that's being human, but then I think over a long period of time, it doesn't.
Yeah, that's true. And one more thing which I told you last time, Aarti, and today it started enhancing even more was, so one of the factor, like, can I say what was that a little bit?
Okay, you can.
So it was just like somebody had started bitching about her, that was an incident. So I told her that day something that, okay, like they are bitching about it. So, and you are making sure that they are right. So imagine a time, like we always say, our thoughts create our reality, right? And now somebody talking behind you that, oh my God, see, this person is doing this to get success. So what is the thought they are putting? That I am getting success. When you are working towards getting success and they are also putting getting success, the consciousness, it bombards in a way that you get a success. How much they are being a gift to you, so let them do it.
Yeah.
Let them manifest it for you, like, rather than you manifesting just for yourself. They are
Of
also
course.
having consciousness.
And I think the other thing is that people will judge you anyways. They just need a reason to do that. Just a reason. So if you're doing well, they will judge you. If you're not doing well, then they will judge you. So it's basically you have to be okay. Right. Yeah. So
Exactly.
beyond the point, I think nothing matters as long as I was saying, as long as you know that you trust yourself and you trust the journey that you are on. Everything else doesn't matter.
Exactly.
And one more thing, guys. So I was telling you that this is what something that I've learned. If you ask me the same reason maybe a year back or 2 years back, I would have reacted in a complete different way. This is the work that I've been doing on myself. This is the work of using different tools and believing in myself. And that's when, it's so easy for me to receive the judgment, to receive what other people are talking about me or rather us. So I know, Priya, that you also have experienced so many things because you, as you said, that you have a habit of taking or moving so fast. So
Yeah,
people judge you,
a lot.
right? And
A lot.
so many times you yourself have made yourself so wrong about it, right?
Exactly.
But then it's all a part of the journey.
Exactly. I mean, like you just said that I'm in a qualifier Mrs. India. I know how many people have judged me. How many people have, I mean, a year back also they said, oh my God, like, are you kidding me? You want to take part of this? And not only that, even now also, like, like this is one example, I think I should say it. Like when I started asking for a contribution for the fund that I'm raising, someone wouldn't pay me, wouldn't contribute because they know I'm not going to win.
Okay.
Okay, so for me, it was like, okay, it doesn't matter. You are doing your contribution for the cancer patients. How does it matter? So there are millions and like infinite reasons for anyone to pass comment or why they don't want to do it, why they want to, they just have something to say, you know. But the moment you start playing with it, okay, that's interesting. And I would say that now also it does not hurt. Like when this person said, I was like, okay, it did give a little bit of pinching, but then I'm like, okay, fine,
Yes.
part of life, you know. So when you start doing this, that's when you go there where you want to be.
And I was just wondering if you would have replied to that person saying that, oh my God, you can predict future. What else do you see about me? That would have like totally twisted them around.
Exactly. So that little pinch kind of moment have struck me. Maybe if I was in a better space, maybe I would have answered that. You
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
So these are guys part of life. Just trust yourself. Trust that if good things can happen, bad things can also happen. Trust that if somebody, like there is just now one incident that somebody just contributed such an amount for fundraising, which was like like this person does not even know me. They have given, and there are many people whom I know they have not even contributed a penny. So if such kind of magic also happens, the other way is also true. So trust, just trust it.
And also, as I had previously also mentioned, that please be also aware that not everyone can receive your trusting. So you do not have to trust everybody. The only person that you need to trust is yourself. And once you start doing it, you will realize that then, other than that, nothing else would matter to you that much. So start to trust yourself and little incidents also.
Yes, exactly. So
So
wow,
Priya,
it was
anything?
great. It was a great. I mean, right now there are a lot of things which is coming in my mind. Like these are all like situational, but I don't think I can cover it if I open the gate. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, there are a lot of things right now which is coming. So guys, yeah, if you'd like to know more about it, please let us know. We can talk about it because there are a lot of, I mean, we have worked on it and
Yeah.
we have a lot of things to share. It's just that the time is ticking. So guys, thank you for watching us. Like every call, I wish say that if you can share our videos to someone as a, I remember every morning when somebody just sends me a good video or a good affirmation that just changes the life. That entire day becomes smooth. If you think any of these can be just a small gift to anyone's life, do share it. You'd never know that you will become the angel of their life on that specific day.
Absolutely. And we would really like that you share, as Priya has mentioned, listen to us. And the greatest gift would be that you start trusting yourself. That would be our greatest achievement. So I have, in the past, I have heard people that they, whatever tips that we do or whatever experience that we share here, people have started practicing it and they experience huge shift in their life. That's the greatest achievement, and that's the whole purpose of doing these calls and sharing it with you all. So yes, in today's call, we just want you to start trusting yourself that you are an amazing person. You are a gift and you trust yourself. Yes.
So, guys,
So,
thank you so much for watching us and see you next Friday with a new topic. Bye bye.
yes. Bye bye. Thank you.